Headphone the architect of sound. Unpacking the genius of DJ Fydale The Don. While artists like Kilamani, Winky D, and Soulja Love often take center stage in the vibrant world of ZimDancehall, it's crucial to acknowledge the masterminds who craft the soundscapes that define these hits. One such individual, a true architect of rhythm and melody, is none other than DJ Fydale The Don. Musical notes: the beat behind the hits. DJ Fydale The Don is a name synonymous with quality production in the Zimbabwean music industry. He's not just a DJ, he's a highly respected music producer whose touch has elevated numerous tracks to anthem status. When you hear a track with that undeniable groove, that perfectly balanced mix, and that distinct energy, chances are Fydale's hands have been on the mixing board. His production on Kilamani's Mutorori is a prime example of his ability to blend traditional ZimDancehall elements with a modern, crisp sound, creating a backdrop that allows the artist's message to shine while keeping listeners hooked. Control Knobs: more than just a producer, a curator of talent. What makes DJ Fydale stand out isn't just his technical skill, but his ear for talent and his ability to bring out the best in artists. He understands the nuances of the ZimDancehall genre, from its reggae roots to its modern urban influences, and skillfully weaves these elements into fresh and exciting productions. He acts as a true Don of the beat, guiding the musical direction and ensuring every aspect of a song, from the drums to the synths, serves the overall artistic vision. His production style is often characterized by crisp, punchy drums. The foundation of any good dancehall track, Fydale's drums hit hard and drive the rhythm. Melodic basslines. He crafts basslines that are not just rhythmic but also contribute significantly to the song's melodic identity. Innovative synth work. His use of synthesizers adds texture, atmosphere, and those memorable hooks that stay in your head. Clear mixes. Every instrument and vocal track sits perfectly in the mix, allowing for a rich and immersive listening experience. Glowing star: the impact on ZimDancehall. Producers like DJ Fydale are the unsung heroes who sustain and evolve the ZimDancehall sound. They are the backbone of the industry, creating the sonic landscapes that help define eras and launch careers. His consistent output of high-quality productions has not only cemented his own reputation but has also contributed significantly to the genre's growth and international appeal. Through his work, he helps ensure that Zimbabwean music continues to have a distinctive and competitive edge on the global stage. He's a testament to the fact that behind every great artist, there's often an equally great producer shaping their sound. Folded hands: giving credit where credit is due. Next time you're vibing to a ZimDancehall track, take a moment to check the production credits. Chances are, if it's a banger, you might just see the name DJ Fydale The Don. Let's celebrate these instrumental figures who keep our playlists fresh and our speakers rattling with incredible beats. His dedication to his craft ensures that the ZimDancehall movement continues to flourish, delivering the energetic, socially conscious, and always danceable music we love. What are your favorite tracks produced by DJ Fydale The Don? Share them in the comments below. Would you like an image to go along with this blog post, perhaps a graphic featuring DJ Fydale's name or a representation of a producer at work?